Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program which results in illegal state exception. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. Okay, I'm going to write some code, guys. There's only one example that I'm going to provide in this session. There may be other concepts in Java which may also give you this illegal state exception. But I'm going to take only one example because if I get this kind of question in the interview and where I have to write a program to which results in illegal state exception, I'll pick this example, guys. Okay, so I'll go here and create a new class. I'll just name this class as some class 13, let's say, some random name. Click on finish, the class will be created. Simple, guys. When we can get this illegal state exception in Java is one of the situation is where you are using the scanner class to collect the input from the user. Create an object for the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Okay. Hold the mouse on this and then say import. Okay. And here you have to input in system.in actually. Okay. System.in. The next thing is I need to inform the user to enter, a number. Okay. So system.out.println, so that user will not understand whether what the user has to do. Enter any number, I'll say. And to collect the number, I would generally write scanner dot next int. First, I'll show you a proper program, guys. I'll not, you will not get any exception when I run this code. It will work fine. Okay. Int number. Here, if I write, if that particular number is greater than 10, write down system.out.println. Okay, entered number is greater than 10, I'll say. Else what I will write? Else I'll write down system.out.println. Enter number is less than or equal to 10. Okay, less than or equal to 10. We don't know. Okay, so this is what I will write. So this program will work fine after you collect the input from the user. When you close the scanner object, there is no problem in this. Okay. So in this example, what I'm doing, I created a scanner object and then closing the scanner as part of the, just to save the memory leak and all those stuff. Once the input is taken, what the use of scanner, I can close the scanner object. Okay. By saying scanner.close so that I don't have to give an extra effort for, garbage collector mechanism in Java to come and clean this object and stop the memory leak going on. But rather, as a best practice, I'm closing this once the input is already collected. In this case, you are not going to get any problem, guys. When you run the program, the user will be asked a question, enter any number. If the user enters some number, let's say 15, 15 is greater than 10. So entered number is greater than 10 got printed. What if the user enters a number which is less than 10, let's say less than or equal to 10. Let's say I'll give some 5 here and press enter. Entered number is less than or equal to 10 will come. That's also good. But the problem comes here with related to this illegal state exception. When you try to collect a number from the user and before collecting that, I'm closing the scanner object. Sometimes that may happen by mistake that what the developers will do is when they get the warning message, they will forget to provide the scanner object after collecting the input. Okay, by mistake what they will do is they will close the scanner object before collecting the input. So what will happen if you try to close the scanner object before collecting the input will not be possible, guys. Just run this here. You see, if you try to say next in, you see without asking enter a number got printed without you entered any number on the line 12. At this line 12, when you're trying to collect an input from the user and when the channel for in collecting the input from the user is closed, that scanner object is closed here before you collect the input. And this particular line, if you are trying to collect an input when the scanner object is closed, will give you an exception known as illegal state exception. This is one example where in Java you'll get illegal state exception. So scanner closed. Because of the scanner closed, you got this. Okay. You can go to this method, open declaration and in Java and see that it clearly says when you call this method and you will get this illegal state exception if the scanner is closed. Okay. If you try to use this method and before that, if the scanner object is closed, you are going to get illegal state exception. It is saying. So, okay. So there are many other exceptions that may come when you're calling this method, you have to be sure, like if you close the scanner class and scanner object and you try to use this method, you will get illegal state exception. This is one of the example in Java where you are going to get a illegal state exception, guys, and many other examples may be there. Okay, many other examples may be there, but when you get this kind of question in the interview, try to answer like this. That will be more than enough. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.